Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the PC and unplugging everything. This prevents electrical damage. Once done, discharge yourself by touching the chassis or use an anti-static strap because static kills components. Open the case and remove the side panel. You need clear access. Locate the M2 or NVMe slot near the CPU or PCIe lanes. Make sure you have the correct Phillips screwdriver and identify the tiny standoff screw holding the drive down. This is the first action. You now remove the retaining screw, turn it counterclockwise, and set it aside so you don't lose it. Next, hold the NVMe module by its edges, avoid the gold contacts and memory chips because oils and static can damage them. Then, lift the free end so the card sits at about 20 to 30 degrees and slide it straight out of the M2 slot along the same insertion path. This avoids bending pins. If the drive has thermal pads or a heatsink, note their placement for reinstalling. Once the module is out, you can clean or replace thermal pads and then reassemble in reverse order. Make sure the standoff screw is snug but not over-torqued. After powering on, enter BIOS to confirm the slot detects the NVMe. This verifies hardware connectivity. Boot to your OS and check disk management for the device and partitions. If the drive doesn't appear, reseat it. Enable NVMe or PCIe support in BIOS, and update firmware or drivers. These steps fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.